Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Airbnb.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to Airbnb, the platform connects guests with hosts offering homes, experiences, and services. Airbnb currently reports more than 9 million active listings across over 220 countries and regions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Travelers can search for available homes by destination, dates, and number of guests. Individual listings provide details about the property, amenities, pricing, availability, house rules, and cancellation conditions. Airbnb also offers experiences and services provided by hosts, expanding the platform beyond accommodation bookings. According to Airbnb's current payment information, most reservations are charged when the reservation is confirmed. Eligible bookings can offer scheduled payment options. Pay part now, part later lets eligible guests make an initial payment when booking and automatically pay the remaining balance on the date shown during checkout. Airbnb also offers reserve now, pay later for eligible stays. This option allows qualifying guests to reserve without paying at booking and pay the full amount on the scheduled date before check-in. Cancellation and refund conditions depend on the reservation and applicable cancellation policy. Guests can find cancellation information in their trip section and see any eligible refund before completing a cancellation. If a home host cancels before the trip, Airbnb states that the guest receives a full refund and can receive assistance finding another booking. Airbnb also provides AirCover for guests as part of its reservation support system. Service fees can apply to Airbnb bookings. For home reservations where a guest service fee applies, Airbnb states that the fee is displayed in the price breakdown before booking. Airbnb provides account tools for managing reservations, messages, payments, and trip information. Prices, fees, availability, cancellation conditions, and payment options can vary by reservation and change over time. Users should check the complete price and booking conditions displayed before confirming a reservation. For users interested in booking homes, experiences, or services offered by hosts, Airbnb could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.